Hello everyone, my name is Geetanjali Singh and this is the second part of defamation. Now in previous video we discussed what is defamation and what are the elements of defamation and defamation versus our fundamental rights. Now we'll discuss about the defenses which are available against defamation. Number one is justification by truth. Now, truth is an absolute defense against defamation. If a statement is made of an authentic, then it does not constitute any defamation. Another, a fair and bona fide comment. Now, nothing is defamatory which is a fair comment in the matter of public interest. Now, the third one is absolute privilege. If it gives the person an absolute right to make the statement, even if it is defamatory, the person is immune from liability arising out of defamation lawsuit. Generally, absolute privilege exempts defamatory statements made by during judicial proceedings or by government officials or by legislator during debates in the parliament or by during political speech in parliamentary proceedings and the communication between the spouses. Another defense for against defamation is also qualified privilege. When a person making a statement has a legal, social, or moral duty to make it and a listener has an interest in it, then the defense is qualified privilege is allowed. Now, following are the instances where the defense can be availed of. Now, number one is reference of a job applicant, answering the police inquiries, a fair criticism of published book or a film in a review, communication between parents and teachers, and communication between employers and their employees, and the communication between traders and credit agencies are all the relationship that has been protected by the qualified privileges. Now, the difference between defamation as a tort and defamation as a crime in both tort law and IPC. Firstly, I'll be telling about defamation as a tort. Now, in it is a civil wrong and it is based on a tort law, an area which has no statute to define wrong and relies completely on case laws to define the wrongs. That is the judicial proceedings, no codification as said earlier. And it provides redressal to the plaintiff by awarding damages in a form of monetary compensation from the accused. Damages are being awarded based on probabilities. Now, it is generally a slow process to seek relief in India. A person found guilty can be penalized only by making him pay the damages. But defamation as a crime under IPC is a criminal offense which is bailable, non cognizable, and compoundable. It has been defined as an offense under Section 499 and the punishment for it is given under Section 500 of our Indian Penal Code 1860. It seeks to punish the offender and send message to the society that not to commit such an offense. The offense of defamation must establish beyond a reasonable doubt. The plaintiff can move to a criminal court and ask the offender to take cognizance of his complaint. A person who has been found guilty can be punished with imprisonment up to 2 years or fine or with both. Now, while concluding this video, I must say that the defamation law serves the purpose of protecting people from having their reputation injured resulting from false statement made against them to harm their mental health or their reputation against the society in front of any third party. However, it is still in accordance with the right of freedom of speech and expression as people can make true statements and give their opinion. They have their right to do so. This area of law seeks to protect a person's reputation from being hurt by preventing unfair speech. As said beforehand, that the right to speak is not an absolute right but with the reasonable restrictions. The apex court has stated in various cases that the ambit of freedom of speech is sacrosanct but it is not absolute. It is also said that the right of life under Article 21 includes the right of reputation of a person and it cannot be violated at the cost of freedom of speech of an another. That's it for today. Thank you.